Creek. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen.
Yeah, flash flood warning.
The expected rainfall rate is 1.5 to 2.5 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring.
I'm trying to get the remote to get it on
Hazard,
TV.
flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include western Colorado Springs. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Damn.
A strong thunderstorm will called her grandson and found out he was okay.
I was just humiliated. I was shamed. Incredibly, 1 in 3 Americans say they have fallen
Okay, I'm in the
victim to
right
a
channel.
phone scam within the
Oh, here we
past
go.
year.
Next, when you your car in the you never how a big The National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a flash flood warning for
Tower County.
Teller County in central
What?
Colorado,
It's in the
West
mountains?
central El Paso County in east central Colorado
Damn.
until 6:45 p.m. At 3:41 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain in Cheyenne Creek. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1.5 to 2.5 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring.
Wait, what?
Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include western Colorado Springs. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.
A severe thunderstorm warning.
Northeastern El Paso County in east central Colorado until 4:50 p.m.
And that.
At 3:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was
Hold on,
located
we're having
near
a part
Yoder,
2.
or 28 miles east of Colorado Springs, moving northeast at 10 miles an hour.
I don't know.
Hazard, 60
I think
miles
my
an
video's
hour
gonna be
wind
full,
gusts
so I
and
don't
half
know
dollar size hail.
if this is gonna cut out.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Yoder around 3:55 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Okay, so there's the flash flood warning. That might be the severe thunderstorm
The
warning.
National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Teller County in central Colorado, west central El Paso County in east central Colorado. Order now. 640piece.com. Closed caption sponsorship for Inside Edition.
Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it?
Sizzling summer savings are happening now at...
Wait. Wait. Wait.
Ashley.
I don't know.
Don't freak out, but you can get 50% off all menu price Domino's pizzas when you order.
I guess it's not gonna happen because there's already one. They already set the alert, and now I don't think they're not gonna do it. I'll wait.
As the weather heats up, everyone is extra cautious about leaving children and pets in hot cars, but there are some.
Now, okay, I don't think there's not gonna be, but there's. There it is. Oh, here we go.
This video.
Just open my car door. Is this even...
National Weather
Come on.
Service in Pueblo
Do not make it a
issued
third
severe
one, because
thunderstorm
my
warning
storage is
for
gonna get full.
northeastern El Paso County and east central Colorado until 4:15 p.m. At 3:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Yoder, or 28 miles east of Colorado Springs, moving northeast at 10 miles an hour.
10 miles.
Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Yoder around 3:55 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Wow, these phones get really hot.